Hey everyone, welcome back to Bear's Workshop, where my goal is to give you the perspective of an average user installing a product for the first time, and to convey this product to you in the most simplest manner possible. I will make some mistakes, and if I do, I will show them to you so that you don't make the same mistake. In today's video, we're going to try and put in some spike strips to get rid of that pigeon problem up there. Right now there's only about 10 up there, but usually we have about 50. So today seems like a good day to get up there and get this taken care of. So if this video helps you out, please hit that like button, hit that subscribe button to see more content in the future. Now let's get started. Okay, so what we're doing today is we've got some it's called Topsum Effective and Humane Bird Spikes. I don't know how well these are going to work. I don't know if these are going to be effective because we're going to be putting them on the peak of the roof, and the birds could go elsewhere on the roof. So I'm hoping they like the peak, so I'm hoping that this is enough to distract them. So this is what we have. We have 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. We have 18 strips of this, and have 3 boxes of these. We're trying to get the entire peak of the roof. We're just going for the very top because that's where they like to stay. So we're going to take each one of these, we're putting these onto a tile roof. So this isn't asphalt shingles, which if it was, I would have more confidence in this. We're going to use liquid nails. We have 2 bottles of this. This says that it's got enough linear feet per bottle to cover about the 50 feet or so of the house. So this is going to go on the tile. We're going to put this down and just leave it right on top. And then we also have some bird-proof transparent repellent. It's by Bird X. So we're going to put this in some of the other areas where I'm not going to put spike strips. I've got roof pitches and stuff and angles right in the front of the house, and I don't want spike strips all over the front. I just want it on the peak so that it's not as ugly looking, because honestly this is kind of ugly looking. I was at a castle. If I had a castle, this would look cool on a castle. I don't have a castle. So we've got 3 bottles of this, and we're going to try that in some of the other areas. I also know that they get into those little nooks and they put their nests in there. My biggest problem with the pigeons is when it does rain here, because it doesn't rain a lot, is that there's so much pigeon poo built up that it comes off in like waves of pigeon poo just coming off. It's almost like covering your house with snow, and like when the snow falls, but it's pigeon poo. And that happens every couple of months when we get a big rainstorm. So it's kind of nasty. Also, they lay eggs, and the dogs tend to catch a lot of them, and then I find dead pigeons in the yard, which, you know, maybe one day they'll get the edge on this and maybe reduce their population. But usually we have about 50 birds. So we're going to see how effective this is. After we get this all put up, I'm going to show you how I install it. And then I'm just going to go through the rest. I'm not going to show every little piece. I don't want anyone to die of boredom. Then we're going to wait a couple of days, and we're going to see how effective these were. And we'll take some pictures of the roof after that. So right now, 10 birds, no big deal. But usually it's about 50. It's the day after Thanksgiving, so I think they're picking at people's garbage or something. So a couple of days later, we'll show you the results and see if the pigeon problem is gone. Let's get to work. Okay, so here's the side view of the house. What we're going to be doing is, let me use my finger, we're going to put that strip right along the top ridge right there. Now, I don't know if you can see it in this, but right around here, there's like mounds and mounds of pigeon poo. Just right there, and there's other spots along the whole roof where there's other pigeon poo. But we're going to climb this ladder right here. Fortunately, we'll be recording in case I have an accident. I have fallen off of ladders before and broken bones, and I think this was the same ladder. So I'm not great with ladders, so maybe this will be a fail video where I fall off the roof. It's very possible. But we also see the solar panels up there. It's hard to tell at this angle, but they're very dirty. And if I'm feeling confident once I'm up there and get everything done, I may decide to do something about cleaning that off a little bit. Maybe we'll make a video about how I'm going to try and clean my solar panels without dying. So up the ladder I go. Okay, we're up on the roof.
You can see the mounds and mounds of pigeon poo up here. So we're gonna get to the peak up there. Maybe we'll start over there, less of a fall. And we're gonna start using the liquid nails and putting the strips on. Okay, so getting ready to install this. Very precarious, not good with heights or falling from heights. But it looks like we're getting lucky. Each one of these strips is just about the length of each tile. So we're gonna stick them on here with the liquid nails. I hope it holds it. So let's start doing this. Seems fairly easy. I just hope the liquid nails holds. Okay, just got down from the roof. As you can see, I got all the spike strips up. I put a line of the bird-proof transparent repellent. This is says it's 93% polybutane. I don't know what that is. And then the other ingredients are 7%, and it doesn't break that down. I don't know if it's supposed to just be something that's sticky or if it's something that they sense, smell. I don't know. But I put down a strip of where they like to perch, and we're gonna wait a couple of days. We're gonna come right back after a couple of days and see if this has worked or if we need to add some more strips somewhere else or some more of this stuff. So I'll see you in a couple of days. Okay, so it's several days later and it looks like the spike strips have worked. We've probably gotten rid of about 95% of the birds. I did go back up on the roof because I wanted to take a look at and see about cleaning some of the stuff up there. Since the birds are now gone, I wanted to take a look at the solar panels. And you can see, you might be able to see behind me, I cleaned 2 panels on this side, I've cleaned 9 on the other side, and we're gonna do a comparison over the next couple of days to see how much more power is generated by cleaning them. So we're gonna make another video on that. The 5% of the birds that did not go away are underneath some of the solar panels. And once we finish cleaning up there and we get rid of a nest or 2, I think that they're gonna scram. And if they don't, I'll put up a couple more spike strips around the edges of the solar panels so that they can't get underneath there because they're just sneaking in there. But we would have excess of 50 birds at any given time. So now that we're down to 2 or 3, it's a great improvement. And we got a lot of poop to take off that roof. So in the next video, you'll be taking a look at cleaning solar panels and whether or not it's worth it. I think it's gonna be. But thanks for watching this video. If you liked it, go ahead and hit that like button. If you want to see more content like the solar panel cleaning, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and you'll see more content in the future. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.